Okay, it was previously determined that I can spend $14 per day on food. Now let's look at the function of how much spent or the function how much you have left over. Spending $14 a day. The amount you spend is going to be based on how many days you have spent. And it's important to understand days comes under the concept of time. What's the amount of time that has gone by? Or the amount you have remaining is based on how much you spent. And also that depends upon how much time has gone by. How many days have you bought food? Okay, we're spending $14 per day. So now the function changes to $14. I'm going to use D for days because that's the time. Spending $14 per day. So if one day goes by, I spend $14. If 2 days goes by, I spend $28. 3 days goes by, $42. 14 times the amount of days. It's repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. All right, so this is how much I spent. Now, if we want to look at how much we have remaining, how much did I start with? Started with $280. And that's allowing for the phone bill to be paid. So it's $280 we start with. And then we're going to subtract the $14 per day. So if no time has gone by, we start when the day equals 0. No time has gone. Two key concepts here. When you start, you're at 0. Okay, no time has gone. If you fill in a 0, it's 280 times 0. And this will give you the amount remaining. We'll call that money. And the money remaining is based on the days that go by. So our function, we generically say function, and we generically say based on X. Our function is called M for money remaining, is based on the D, time, in days that goes by. Now this function would be the money spent. And that's based on how many days have gone by. The first day, D equals 0 also when you start. And when you start, you have not spent any money. All right, meet me on the next video, and we'll take these functions and show what's happening on a graph and work towards including inequalities of this scenario.